You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a new best friend on the way from Pocketville just to meet you. Some puppy love to be there by your side and be with you night and day. The truest friend that you will ever know is only a wish away. Find a friend forever in Pocketville and believe in a puppy love story. No more tears in your eyes, no way. You got a new friend, it's a brand new day. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to
Now we'll move on to the second challenge. Here we test your agility and something very important. Something you will always rely on as a palace guard, team spirit.
Team spirit?
What's that?
This will be very interesting.
You're right. Maybe we'll find the right pet for the girl.
And in the spirit of teamwork, this test will be done in pairs. The puppy beside you will be your partner, and the first 5 pairs to finish will go through.
Let's do it! Well said.
So don't mess it up, okay?
Me? It's you who messes up.
Ready? On your marks. Get set. Go! Züll and Gort are very fast. Oh, they might even win. Hold your horses, Danny. Don't forget round 3.
I can still get over this watch.
Getting closer. We're going to have to work together.
How do we do that?
Simple. I get on your back and you get me over the wall.
How come you get to go first?
Because no one stands on my back.
But you can stand on mine, right?
Okay, I'll pull you up.
You are messing this up.
No, you're messing up.
Hey, look at those
What
two.
are we waiting for?
Come on.
Here we go.
They just made it.
But Eva, I thought the Pocketpedia was in Ava's room.
It is, but the throne room is through here and I want to take a look.
But Eva, we have no time.
Remember who's in charge here. You should have seen my sister when she sat on this throne, so satisfied. But soon this shall be my throne, and then everyone in the Pocket Kingdom shall worship me and obey my orders.
It'll be wonderful, but we need to hurry. Someone could show up at any time.
You're right. Let's go and find the Pocketpedia.
Any ideas, Katie?
All the puppies left in the competition have proved themselves worthy. Well, except for Züll and Gort. Everything okay?
Yes, except for Eva.
What? Eva's here? Where is she?
I haven't seen her.
And that has us worried.
You're right. She's sure to be up to something.
Oh, yes. You can count on Eva.
It is time for the third and final test. The test begins near the magic fountain. Firstly, I congratulate all of you for getting this far. You have proved yourselves worthy of the test that awaits you. Sadly, this last round will be the decider. The winner shall become the new guardian of the castle. You need to rely on your instincts and intuition. The winner shall be the one to find a magic drop.
At last, we're here. I have waited so long to be in front of the Pocketpedia, now you'll get a chance to see its magic work.
Are you sure you know how it works?
Wait and see.
Go!
What is it?
Watch, she's not running around all over the place like the others.
She's wasting time.
On the contrary, she's taking her time and keeping her eyes on everything around her.
So let me get this straight. I should always keep my eyes open, right? To avoid those dumb tricks. It's my fault people play tricks on me all the time.
Well, you
don't understand. I just can't.
Keep your eyes open. Just what our little girl needs to do.
Right.
Do you think she'll find the magic drop?
I have a feeling she might.
Huh?
Stop!
He's under here.
It can't be. We've looked here at least 1,000,000 times.
I didn't say it has always been here, only that it is now.
What do you mean?
The other day there was a gale, don't you remember? I think the wind blew the magic drop here, right under this leaf.
We have a winner! A winner!
Oh, no.
Thank you all.
On behalf of the Royal Guards,
I need to speak with you.
Just a moment, please.
I must tell you something important.
What is it?
There's a small problem, William. Your winner is needed for the friendship ceremony.
Are you sure?
Pia's the perfect match. She's alert and keeps a watchful eye.
I see.
The girls whose picture is on the friendship heart would need a pet like that.
What's the delay?
Our winner is destined to go to the big city.
Oh, that's a dream come true.
Okay, a change of plan. Let's prepare for the friendship ceremony. Hang on. What about the new palace guard?
Yes, that's right. What about the challenge?
We mustn't forget that our main job is to find new owners for puppies.
True. And we've got a magic drop.
As for the palace guard, well, I have a feeling I know what's coming. Danny, maybe you could keep an eye on the castle from now on. How about that?
The Pocketpedia is amazing. Its great strength is that it seems to have a mind of its own. But it also has a soul, and that is its great weakness. Take the heart. Take the friendship heart. Go on, take it.
What did you say?
Right, now crush it hard. Crush it harder.
It might break.
It must break.
What do you mean?
We'll break this half and then the other half that Kate has. Then we can stop the friendship ceremonies forever. Unless you tell me where I can find the Never Alone flower. The Pocketpedia has a soul far too kind to allow anything to happen to the friendship heart.
The Never Alone flower.
Ah, the land of eternal snow, so that's where it is. Let's go!
You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love, a new best friend from above. You want a puppy to love when you're sad and you're feeling lonely and you don't know what to do. There's a
Let
new
the
best
friendship
friend
ceremony
away.
begin.
Just to meet you. So puppy love to be there by your side.
Let the
give Michele a soaking again. Now!
Who did that? Extra homework should take your minds off playing nasty pranks.
That would have been me, but for you. What are you saying? That you'll help me pay attention?
Did you see that?
I owe you a thank you.
What for?
Being alone in the big city has been hard, but thanks to you, I have been able to adapt.
Oh! Oh no!
Hey, what's going on?
That was close. Very lucky for us he didn't see us.
You're afraid of that man?
He's not just any man. He's the meanest and most dangerous man in the world. He's the pet buster and he kidnaps pets.
Why would he do something so terrible?
No one knows for sure.